Well, okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Um, and how's life today? So now I'm going to give you some feedback about your previous writing, and then I'm going to explain your. I'm going to give some feedbacks about your writing one by one. Okay, let me start from. This is Jin's work. Jin, so let's see your work. So deciding where to live for a student who pursues further academic in another city may actually be an important factor in developing characters and personalities within the student. It is a quite popular recommendation for students to choose living in the boarding house rather than in a family house. For this one, I happen to actually agree. Living independently from relative can train students um, in developing responsibility, socializing skill, and self-discipline. Well, this is a very good introduction. So, guys, this can be the example for you. Jadi, yang lain ini mungkin bisa menjadi contoh buat kalian bahwa ini sangat bagus karena yang pertama dia punya hook. Jadi, baris pertama adalah hook, kemudian baris kedua ini merupakan background statement, kemudian yang ketiga ada thesis statementnya, kemudian ada main idenya di sini. Yang pertama tentang developing responsibility, socializing skill, and self discipline. Jadi sangat jelas bahwa nanti di body paragrafnya dia akan menjelaskan tentang developing responsibility, socializing skill, and self discipline. Okay, thank you, Jin. This is a very good work. Okay, now we directly jump to Ari's work. Well. The neighborhood where someone acts will affect the way they think and their behavior as well. This is the hook, okay, that's nice. Someone who lives in a proper environment will be supportive of what they are doing. On the other hand, if someone is in the improper place to do something, the result will not be as good as it should be. I strongly agree with the statement above that it will be so much better if there is a student who studies outside the hometown can stay in a boarding school or dormitory. It will make them to pay attention on their educations properly and learn to live independently at the same time. Learn to socialize with other people and make them open-minded with all the differences around. Okay, this is also a very nice work. So the hook is clear. So this is the hook, the first sentence, and then the second sentence until here it is the background statement, and then this is the thesis statement. So I strongly agree with the statement above. This is the thesis statement, and then this is the main idea. So the main idea that Ari is going to explain is about the uh, educations, and then live independently, and then open-minded. Right? So three main ideas that he's going to explain in the body paragraph. Well, thank you, Ari. That's a nice job. And now we're jumping to Gironas. Gironas. Some students think it is better to live in a boarding house than to live in a relative's home. I don't think I agree with the statement because a student needs attention, needs firmness from someone. When he lives alone in his boarding house, he is free to do anything. He is lazy to study because no one can control him, and he can learn well because there are people who can control him and can train himself to know what it is like not to live under the parents. Girana, I think your explanation is too broad. Saya kira penjelasanmu terlalu luas. Di sini ini baru introduction, pendahuluan. Yang you harus jelaskan di sini adalah ada hooknya, yaitu kalimat untuk menarik perhatian, satu kalimat saja untuk menarik perhatian pembaca. Kemudian yang kedua background statementnya. Di sini tidak ada juga background statementnya ada, okay, this good. Kemudian thesis statementnya, I don't think I agree with the statement because ini penjelasannya terlalu panjang. Jadi kenapa? Because a student main idea-nya saja di sini 3 main idea, 3 kata saja, misalnya because students will students will need attention. Tidak usah dijelaskan kenapa dulu. Kemudian control, I think attention and control sama ya. And then okay, so attention and control, saya kira itu dua main idenya yang you akan jelaskan di body paragraph. Tidak perlu kamu jelaskan di sini di introduction terlalu panjang. Jadi cukup kamu mengatakan I think I agree with the statement because a student need attention and control from the family. Jadi dua ide itu yang kamu akan jelaskan di body paragrafnya. Nanti jadi body paragraf satunya tentang attention, kemudian body keduanya control. Okay? Is it clear? Okay, jadi nanti diperbaiki. I hope you can fix your introductions. So you need to put hook and then you minimize the thesis statement. I think it's too broad. Okay, now let's jump to read this work. If you choose the boarding house, the benefit is you must do all of home just alone and make your body healthy. Many family can contracting if you have a disease, but you just alone treat yourself. If you have disease, I agree. If you want to choose the relative house, because if you have a disease, many family can take care with you. I think the problem is just the same as Kirana's work. Ini terlalu luas cakupannya. Jadi bikin hook dulu, baru background statementnya, baru thesis statement. Jadi thesis statementnya. Jadi ini personal idea. Belum you tidak perlu dulu jelaskan your personal opinion why like this. Nanti di body paragraph. Jadi Rindy, I think you need to fix your introductions. You follow the rule. Look at the example first, and then you look at the Jeans and Aris work. I think they can be a good example for you. Intinya you harus membongkar ini. Tidak jelas hooknya, background statementnya, kemudian thesis statementnya. Angel gitu, tidak jelas. Okay, and then next is Buanas. When the students continuing their study in another city, it is really important to decide where they live because it will affect their psychology, their personality. I think it is better to stay in boarding house than in relative house because we can learn with on ways automatically from their character, their ability, and social sensitivity with neighborhood. Away from family also teaches us about the meaning of longing. Maybe loneliness or what? The meaning of life or what? Okay, okay, I think this is good enough. Cuman mungkin thesis statementnya harus lebih spesifik. Misalnya, I think it is better to stay in boarding house than in relative house because students can be independent. Okay, itu yang pertama, independence, atau due to the independence, and then personality, okay, atau personality building, and social interaction. So I think independence, personality, and social interaction, I think that's three main idea you can develop in the body paragraph. Okay, Buana? Clear? Okay, and now we continue to Juan's work. Okay, when continuing I agree with what is taught by these students, because if we live in a family home, we usually do not have the same habit, and sometimes there is also a hidden nature of our family that we don't know. Not even everyone can understand us. Alright, Chuang, I think your problem is just the same as like Rindi's and Jirana. I think you directly explain your ideas here. Here you need to make hook first, background statement, and then thesis statementnya juga tidak jelas. So clarify your thesis statement here. I don't know what you are going to explain in the body paragraph. Jadi ini belum menjelaskan kenapa, apa alasannya. Jadi baru ide utamanya dulu you tulis di sini, baru nanti di body paragraph you jelaskan bagaimana kenapa. Okay? Alright. Next. Dewi's work. Dewi, some students think that it is better for them to stay in a boarding house than in a relative house. I think I am agree. Dewi, bukan I am agree, I agree. Agree itu kata kerja, jadi tidak boleh pakai to be. Because when we continue our education in a bigger and more advanced city, it can make us more independent and feel eager to achieve our ideas with a more advanced environment that can create a willingness in ourselves to keep trying and be responsible and disciplined in everything. Okay, well Dewi, I think your work is not really clear as well. Tidak begitu jelas. Jadi jangan dulu menjelaskan kenapa begini, kenapa begitu. Intinya di introduction bikin dulu 3 kalimat, 4 kalimat cukup, tapi harus jelas. Kalimat pertama itu tentang hooknya, kemudian kedua background statementnya, yang ketiga thesis statementnya. Jadi thesis statement kamu di sini kamu bisa menjelaskan I agree because when students continue their educations in a more advanced city, they can be independent. Jadi itu yang pertama, independent. Jadi kamu menjelaskan tentang kenapa independent nanti di paragraf 1. Yang kedua tentang responsibility and discipline. Jadi tadi tentang independence, responsibility, and then discipline. Mungkin itu ya bisa kamu kembangkan di paragraf. Jadi cuma diperbaiki kalimatnya di sini. Bikin 3 ide utama yang you mau jelaskan di paragraf itu adalah thesis statementnya. Nah kemudian selanjutnya Bintang's work. Bintang masalahnya saya pikir sama. I am agree bukan Bintang, bukan I am agree, I agree. Bukan for stay, jadi for staying, to stay in a boarding house then in a relative house, because if I stay jangan dulu membahas tentang I. Nanti di contohnya bisa membuat contoh tentang saya pribadi, misalnya saya begini-begini. Jadi di sini membahas secara umum dulu. Jadi bilang student. Jadi student stay in relative house. My parents disagree. As my parents don't. Jangan dulu menjelaskan masalah utamamu di sini ya. Jadi jelaskan dulu secara umum. Nanti masalah pribadimu bisa dibikin dicontoh. Jadi Bintang tidak ada hooknya, tidak ada background statementnya, kemudian thesis statementnya tidak jelas, ya terlalu luas. Jadi bisa mungkin lebih spesifikkan ya, misalnya if I stay in relative house, my parents disagree. So if I stay in boarding house, I am free. Misalnya freedom, bisa jelaskan tentang freedom, and then tentang independence and responsibility atau yang lain. Yang jelas belum jelas di sini apa statementnya. Cuma satu yang bisa diambil dari sini tentang freedom. Ditambahkan 2. Jadi itu nanti yang akan jelaskan di body paragraf ya. Oke Bintang, is it clear? Nah selanjutnya this is Putris, Dewi Putri. Some students who want to continue their education among others prefer to live in the dormitory. I agree, sama saja. Ini I agree that students will live alone and on the ground, that they save more expense because transportation and other can be pressure and more discipline. I think ini sudah agak jelas, cuman harus diperjelas lagi bahwa tidak ada hooknya, kemudian background statementnya bisa thesis statementnya I agree that students should live alone because they can be more economical, they can be disciplined, and then they can be independent. I think itu 3 ide utama bisa menjadi thesis statement ya, yang akan dijelaskan di body paragraph. Kemudian the next is Rama. Leaving the work, I think Rama, you menggunakan Google Translate.